up, YouTube? It's been a while. This is Monica Morgan. Thanks for stopping by. I've got a dollar store card for you today. I'm going to try and do like 6 birthday cards. I got accepted to have my wares displayed on sale at another event, and I'm gonna make a whole bunch with these. Let me start over. I'm gonna be selling my cards at an event, and I need to make some. How's that? Okay, now I'm gonna use these, but I wanted to show you all my other supplies before I get started. And I got a lot of them from AliExpress. I'm gonna use those, and I also start off by choosing a sketch. These are just some of my own designs that I've printed, and I'm going to use this one right here. Let's see if you can see that one. So it's got a main element, the sentiment, and a little decorative things there. So I'm going to use ribbon on those. This is going to be some of these, and then I've got a stamp set that I'm going to find the happy birthday thing there. The ribbon I wanted to tell you about, because I get this from AliExpress. I get a lot of stuff from AliExpress. Where's my cheat sheet? Where did I put my notes? They're there. So each ribbon is 42 cents each. Is that right? Yeah. 41 and 42. I ordered a bunch recently. Isn't that beautiful? These colors. There's so many colors you can choose from. And I'll put links in the description below. I didn't realize I got black. That's cool. And then the way I store them, once I get them cranked open, so they don't go crazy all over the place. So this is the one bundle that they came in. Those are still new. But I put them in a baggie like this. So even if they unravel, they're not completely lost. And then when they get down to this stage, they're still not going to get crinkled. Does that make sense? I also like to do a color palette. And so this one is when I start. That way I know everything's going to work matchy-matchy. So this one I've got pinks and blues and purples in there. Not a lot of purple though. Just this one. Huh. Because I chose these 2 ribbons. But maybe I'll use yellow and pink. This might be better. We'll see. Maybe each card will be a little bit different. And then I've got this stamp set that's got a bunch of cute birthday things on it. Congratulations, party, surprise, celebrate, happy birthday, make a wish. Anyway, you get the picture. So I'll choose which one of those I'm going to use when I come to. But I got to get going because I got invited to, I'm going to be at 3 Women in Recovery, the Gratitude Ball, and then the camping trip up in Beaver, Utah. I'm going to be at all 3 of those things soon, and I need to replenish my birthday cards. So, these I get from Michael's in a big box of 80, and I try and get them just solid colors. So I've already looked through them, but I wanted to show you the whole box. All right, so we've got that going, and now we need some ribbon. 3. Okay, we're only going to make 4 right now, right? So, cool. I've got those. And these, just so you know how I store. I have one, this is the pink one. I have all of these for die cuts that I cut that I was going to use that I changed my mind on. So I sort them by color. 2 pinks and 2 purples. Okay, so I'm going to put these green ones aside for now. And I like to do them in what's the word I'm looking for? Assembly line. So the same thing, the same step, and then on all 4, and then the next step on all 4, and then the next step, etc. Isn't that cute? Now I could die cut something like this or Copic color it. It'd take me forever. And I do try and make a little profit on my cards. I'm going to do purple. These don't have to be exact. That's why I like them long, so you can pull it. I was being stingy with the purple ones. Come back here. What do you think you're doing? That's cute. There's always a problem child, right? Get over here. So now once again, I'm just going to kind of crease it to make it follow where I want it to go. Why did this one work so good? Is it because I learned it by the time I got to the fourth one? I guess. It was so easy. I see you sneaking out above where you're not supposed to be, Mr. Tape. There. Play games with me, Mr. Tape. Now I don't have room for a happy birthday greeting. This is how I do them. Sometimes it just, you know, comes together real fast, and sometimes it's figured out as I go. But once I make one, then, you know, the others are fast. Those are the same size. Dum-dum. Where to put the sentiment? On the sketch, it's down below. What if I moved this up? That's why I didn't press them too hard yet. Okay, there we go. I'm going to have to just adjust each one and stamp it on there. Oh, wait a minute. Dum-dum. Although this paper is pretty slick. I don't know where I got these at, but I got a bunch of them. Cheapy deepy. I'm excited. I'm going to do 3 events coming up. Did I already talk about that? Well, 2 officially. Are you kidding me? Are you friggin' kidding me? Hopefully one of those things will cover that mess up. What a disaster. It's a disaster. It's a complete disaster. Who says that? Nope, better not go there, right? Okay, there's those 2. Now we're going to put celebrate on these 2. Now be careful, Monica. I'm going to ink everywhere. So what does she do? She gets it everywhere. I'm going to use one of these light pink ones in case I can't use the one that's smudged. So see, assembly line works. If I'm going to make one card, I might as well make more than one, right? Wonderful. Okay, so I don't even think I'm going to try with that one. So Make-A-Wish is going to have to be one of the candles. This one. I mean, one of the cakes with a candle. I'm going to change this one. It's too big. That's cute. And this one. Okay, this one can use this little guy. And then this one I'm going to change too. This is just how I work. You know, sometimes I score and sometimes I don't. The hat or the present? Which one? The hat or the present? The present's got more yellow in it. I need yellow. Okay. Now we're getting places. Bring these guys back over here. Now, Now I could even do this a little crooked and then do that like that. These are cute, huh? Do I go straight? And then do that crooked. And should I bother with a little bow behind all of them? I've got some ribbon right here that'll work nice. Let's just do it. We've got it. Let's use it, right? It's right there, handy, just like the right amount. It was meant to be. So you just fold that over, push it through whatever is the top. You don't go that way, I think. Yeah. And then pull it up. So hopefully this will give you some inspiration to go to the Dollar Tree and get their chipboard stuff. I find these at the Dollar Tree more than anywhere else, but the 99-cent store has them occasionally. All different kinds. All kinds. I mean, I have so many. I get all excited when they get new ones in there. But I haven't bought any for a while because when I started my YouTube channel, I thought I needed to be like everybody else I was watching and do card kits, 10 cards, 1 kit, right? So I got the Spellbinders card kits going, and I did Simon Says a couple of times, but that's really not me. So this works for me. Now I'm just, let me trim all these. Okay, that's done. I'm just going to do them straight and make these tags crooked. Sometimes I'll just do all 4 of them like that. Yeah, it's easier. And I get this at Walmart. And they refill. Okay, these are going to be straight. So now I have to concentrate to make sure they're straight. So this is the best way I found to do this, and I might change my mind tomorrow. But I look down here, and I kind of look up here to make sure it's the same distance. So I can go up or down, and then same this way. And then I kind of tip it back and forth until it's right. And I hold it with my finger here. Looks good to me. Okay, there's that one. Oh crap, there's something on the inside of this one. Okay. I'm going to replace it anyway, so I'm going to be able to get it. Oops. I'm going to just get a different one. Dang, nabbit. I do. That was close. Close call, guys. It almost was a disaster. Yeah, I could get my T ruler out and make sure it's spot on dead center, but I bet it is anyway. Okay, now these guys need some tape. I normally would put foam underneath there, but this has already got another layer on it, so I don't want to raise it up any higher or it will never fit in the envelope. I don't know where to put these so that they fit. Okay, now I need to get the inserts and the envelopes and the sleeves. Give me 1 second. These are what I call my inserts. And I make my cards for people in sobriety. I don't know if I said that or not. And all of these are little slogans that you see in AA. These ones aren't alphabetized yet. But in the back are my birthday ones. There we go. Take a chip. Happy sobriety birthday. That's a good one, but I don't think it's horizontal. No, these are vertical. So I like this one. You get to take another chip because it works for any length of sobriety, even months or years. So I got 4. I do these on my computer. I print them out, and I have downloads of these on my website that you can go to and just print off and use them yourself. I don't care. Okay. We're almost done. So that was, if we get done within the next 10 minutes, it'll have been an hour. So a card every 15 minutes. I don't know. Okay, so again, assembly line, assembly line, assembly line. I just go across the top. Again, the same thing. I got to see where that's at. That's tight fit. One. I haven't done a Dollar Tree card in a long time. Seems like. These are cute. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, now you put them in the sleeves. So I get my sleeves over here. I get these from clear bags, they're called. I'll put a link in the description for you. So you slide it in. This is the way I've learned to do it. You just slide it in the front, on the bottom. It goes all the way in. And then you put the envelope in. And the flap showing so that they see that it comes with an envelope. And I'll put that aside. And then, again, same thing. This and the envelope. Now, this is my favorite part, ripping these off and folding them over. I don't know why. I love this part. And normally I have like, normally I stash away all my work until I get to the finishing stage. I call this the finishing stage, and then I get to do like 30 at one time. And I end up with these everywhere. But there you have it. And we did it in less than an hour. It's 12:25 now. Oops. Oh well, I'm not going to worry about that. That little... Look how cute they came out. I like them. I didn't put any sequins or stars on them like I normally do. I just didn't even think about it. But they're fine. I mean, sticky stars. Let me show you what I mean. What I'm talking about. These little things. I have a whole bunch of those. I am running out, though, and I don't know where to get more. So, cute. Those are adorable. I like these. I'm going to do more of these for you. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'm going to go edit this and get this out as soon as I can. All right, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's going dark.